Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to log in IPVanish VPN. As you can see, I am on the official app of IPVanish, and if you have not downloaded the app, just go to App Store and search here IPVanish. And once you search here IPVanish, as you can see, this is on the top of the list and it will take a few seconds. So make sure to go to this VPN IPVanish and click on download. As you can see, I have already downloaded, so I will not update it for now. And once you complete the downloading process, just go back to the IPVanish, and obviously you have bought the premium subscription of this VPN, so make sure to put down the details correctly. As you can see, I have put my details, login details, and once you have put the details, just click on login. And once you click on login, just skip this one and click on finish. And from here, just go to settings. It will take a few seconds to update the server list. So let it load completely and click on allow and just enter the password of your phone. Click allow configuration, and from here, and you can see my account is logged in. And if you want to change any of the settings like the kill switch will basically drop all of your internet connection when the VPN goes turned off. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can log in IPVanish in iPhone.